All right, well, welcome back to Divisional V8 Motorsports and Woodburn Dragstrip. We are here at the Divisional race. This is a good reminder. 3-pedal challenge is coming up mid-August here at Woodburn Dragstrip. Got 3 pedals in this baby and a big old Liberty in the middle. Love it. Is it true you want to be like Ron Hughley and drive the car and do the clutch?
Oh, I really want to be like Ron Hughley. He's a hero. Legend out here in these parts. Yeah.
I hear that often when he calls me. Phrase?
No clueless allowed.
That's right. Look at these two guys. Bracket racers. Troublemakers. Yep. You see it all here at Woodburn Dragstrip. Kim Parker. That is great to see. Bad day for Kim, bad day for Sherry too. Quite an incident yesterday. Great to see Kim out here smiling, looking great. Contrast, right? VW based, right next to a blown Hemi. Alan Reinhardt and Dennis Taylor on the mic. These guys have been there, done that. Dennis as a driver and announcer. Alan as an announcer for 100 years. He's a Ford guy, but don't hold it against him. They got this drag behind thing that cleans the track. New technology from maybe 10 years ago or something. Works pretty well, picks up all the debris, cleans the track. You need a clean track. Is it true you want to be like Ron Hughley and drive the car and do the clutch?
Oh, I really want to be like Ron Hughley. He's a hero. Legend out here in these parts. Yeah.
I hear that often when he calls me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. If I can only start with doing a burnout as good as him, then the rest would,
Just stay in it. I wonder what'd happen.
Yeah. Yep.
It's got a rev limiter, doesn't it? Wagons are cool. 66 Malibu wagon from the Wagons of Steel camp. And we're going to take you on a tour, but just look at this. Not a lot of people in the stands, but racers. There is racers to the edge of the property line, past the scoreboards. So lots of classes, lots of drag cars here, good times, and we got top alcohol dragster in the lanes. So they just ran funny car, but we'll take you on a tour. Lanes are totally full. Top sportsman. Stock, super comp, super street. All the classes, comp eliminator I believe here too. You don't see that every day. Pin on wagon. Chevelles, El Caminos, Camaros, Mustangs, you name it. And Marianne Method, they've been coming here for 100 years. And look at the rigs. Stackers, diesel pushers, Super Cs, nice rigs. Electric Mopars here. Alpine, Monaco, there's even country coaches. All kinds of nice motorhomes. Traveling from all over to race at this event. definitely West Coast states, but even more. Hey, look at that. Old country coach entry. Get around, we'll do some time lapse on the return road so you can see these things go by after they run. Studebaker, yep, they're on your left.